Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to block Twitter recommendations. So many times we get this random Twitter recommendations in our phone from the people that we don't know and the topic that we don't like. Sometimes even 18 plus contents are been recommended to us, in this case how to block them. In this video I will show you how to do so. So before that, please subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational technological video, as each subscription and like is a motivation to us for making such videos in future, so please like and subscribe. So let's get back to the video. As you can see in my phone, I am gonna show you how many recommendations I have got. As you can see, I have a bunch of recommendations from Twitter from random people, and some are even 18 plus, and it's impossible to block each content individually. So what to do? So all you have to do is to tap your account DP in the top left corner and go to settings and privacy option. Here you can find many setting options, but you have to click in notifications, then go to push notifications and turn off push notifications. After doing this, you will not get any recommendations from Twitter in the future. So that's all you have to do. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and see you guys in the next video.